Hello guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Java and Selenium training. So guys, this is again one of the tutorial with respect to Java interview questions. That one very important question that multiple questions on string manipulation. Okay, that they will give you one string and they will ask you that okay, give me that what exactly the index. Okay, what is the length of that particular string? What is the character is available on the specific index? Okay, how will you convert integer to a string and these kind of okay the index of that particular word. Okay, get the substring, trim functions and all. So there are a lot of functions available in string class. So and definitely if you are going with 4 to 5 years experience up to like till 5 to 6 years experience, definitely they are going to ask these kind of questions at a time of interview. Okay, and in Selenium also it will really help you a lot that how to manipulate the string and how to get the substring from a long string or something like that. Okay, so we will cover all the topics in this particular class. So let's create a class, and it's very simple, but practice is really important. You have to remember the method name. Okay, because at the time of interview, definitely they will ask, give me the method name and which method you will be using and all those stuff. Select the main method and let's start. So let's see, I have one string, string str is equal to some long string I have. Let's see, the range have started here. Okay, something like this. The range have started here. Now what I'll do, simple, if you want to check what is the length of this string, the length of this string, if you check it manually, always remember what is a string. A string is the collection of different characters, right? Which is written within double quotes. And it will start, the first index will start from 0. So T is available on 0th location. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 0 to 26. It means what is the length of this string? 27. 0 to 26 means 27, right? So, so obviously every time I'm not going to check manually that okay 0 to 26 or 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to count it manually, right? So system.out.println and I'm going to print what is the length of this string. Very straightforward method is there. str.length method is there. Okay, and if you run this program, it will give you 27. The length of this particular string is 27. Okay, very important, str.length. They will ask you, they might ask you if you are having 1 or 2 years of experience guy, what is the length of, how will you get the length of a string? Don't say str.size. Okay, dot size is for array list or list objects. Okay, but str.length for string. Okay, now what I want that what exactly the character is available on fifth location. So if we check it manually, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth location, A is available, right? I'll repeat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth location, A is available. Okay, I want to check what is the values available on fifth location, on fifth index. Okay, so simple str dot one method is there, character at. Char at, just pass the index 5. I want what is the values available on fifth index. So it will give you A. See, it's printing A. Right? So character at is very, very important. Okay, it will return the character value at the specific index. Okay, fine. Now the reverse of this, I want to check what is the okay, what is the value is available on okay, what is the index of A, okay, or let's see what is the index of S, this particular S. Okay, so we have that method str dot index of method, index of what, index of S, right? So index of S will give you what exactly the index of this particular S. It means what is the position of S. So position of S is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8th location, on 8th index, S is available. So if you run it, see 8 is coming, right? So character at, we have to pass the index, but index of, we will give you what exactly the, it will return the index of that particular character. It will return the index of S. Character at will give you the character is available on fifth location. Okay, so very important, very important, these two methods are. Okay guys, now one question is this, might be there are different s's available. See, this is the first s, we have one more s is available over here, this is the second s. So how will you validate? Because Java compiler will start from here. Okay, the moment, okay, to see that, okay, where is s, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, oh, s is available, immediately it will print 8. But I want to check the index of this second s, one more s is available, then how to do that, right? So to this thing, they will ask you same question at a time of interview, str dot, okay, index of, and okay, this is the this method is overloaded method. Which character you're looking for? I'm looking for s, but from which index you want to start your counting? So I know that this first s is available on 8th position. Now I want to start my counting from ninth position, right? So I know that this 8 is available, this s is available on 8th position, right? So I want to start from ninth position now. So this is 9. Space is also included, guys. In, okay, in a string, space is also having its own index. So this is ninth, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this is the second occurrence of s, that, okay, don't start the counting from 0th location, start the counting from ninth location. Why ninth? Because we know that, okay, this first location of s is on 8th position, then we'll start from ninth position now. Okay, so it should return 15, it should return 15, right? So this, instead of this 9, this is hard coded values, right? This is 9 is hard code value. So better to we write like this. We know that get the index of first s first, like this. Okay, it will give you 8. This will return you 8, right? We have already seen that this is returning 8, and then we will add plus 1 over here. Okay, plus 1. Okay, now the hard coded value is removed, and then if you check it, see. So this is called, okay guys, first occurrence of s. Okay, and the second one is called second occurrence of s, and the exact question they will ask you at a time of interview, give me the third occurrence of s or fourth occurrence of s. Okay, what is the index of third s or fourth s, like that. Okay, so make sure that, okay, you're using index of method, and like that. Now the third occurrence of s, you have to pass the entire thing in the third occurrence of s. This is your homework, please do that assignment. How will you pass, how will you get the third occurrence of s? Let's see, this is selenium is written over here, so this is a third s is available. So how will you get it? Okay, very simple, please try, it will be very simple. Okay, so this is index of method. Okay, now some methods are there. Let's see, same index of method, I want to check str dot index of specific string. So I want to check what is the index of have. So the index of have means where exactly the position of have. So have is available on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th position. Or have is available on 10th position. So immediately it will give you 10. So you can get the index of any particular character also. You can get the index of any string also. Okay. There are no so many strings are available, right? Now let's see again one more interview question, that str dot index of, I am passing one string. Let's see, that is hello. What is the index of hello in this particular string? But hello is not available. So don't say that, okay, it will give you exception or error or something like that. No, it will not give you any exception. It will return -1. Okay, if that particular index is not available, it will return -1. So if you run it, see, it's returning -1. And this particular method will be very useful, okay guys, at the time of Selenium also. If you want to check any specific string is available or label is available, if it is returning -1, it means it is not available. Okay, if it is returning the proper index, okay, greater than -1, in that case it is available. So like that you can put assertion. Okay, so this is index of. Now I want to check, uh, let's see, I'll create one more string str and str1. Okay, I want to check the string is equal or not, both the strings are equal or not. String comparison I want to do. See, string, okay, string comparison. How will you do a string comparison? We have a method that system.out.println string comparison. I want to compare that str dot equals method with str1. Okay, str dot equals dot Okay, str dot equals str1. It means both the strings are equal or not. If it is equal, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. See, equals method returns boolean. Okay, it will compare the string. Yes, it's both the strings are exactly same. The range have started here and the range have started here. It will return true, right? But what I'll do, I'll make this, let's see, small h to capital H. Now, what should be the output? Now, to do this thing, it will return false. Now, if you run this thing, it will return false. Why? Because this is case sensitive. Java is case sensitive. So string comparison will be, okay, it should be the exact string. It should be the range has started here and the range capital H is written over here. Okay, although this H in the H both are not same. This is small h and this is capital H. Okay, so str dot equals method will return false. So make sure that, okay, whenever you're doing string comparison with equals method, make sure both the strings are exactly same. Otherwise, it will return false. Now, what I'll do, if you want to ignore the cases, I don't want that, okay, capital or small or something like that. So we have one method equals ignore case method, okay, with str1. So str, please ignore the cases, equals with ignore cases str1. So now it will return true because now it doesn't bother. Now, okay, okay, it doesn't bother that, okay, this is small h or capital H or whatever. Okay, so this is another thing. For string comparison, these two methods are very popular method, very famous for interview question point of view also. Okay, now one more thing, that how will you get the substring? Okay, how will you get the substring? Substring means a small string from this particular big string. Let's say I want to fetch only the range from str. So how will you do that? System dot, let's say I'm printing str dot substring method is there, and we have to pass two values, beginning index and ending index. So what is your beginning index? So I know that I want to fetch from the, okay, the range I have to fetch. Okay, so I know that t is available on 0th index, so I'll start my index from 0, and ending index is, let's see, 8. So 0 to 8, whatever the characters are available, it will return. Okay, so 0 to 8, it's returning the range. Okay, so it will exclude 8. So what exactly I'll do? 0 to 9. Okay, so within 0 to 9, whatever the characters are available, it will not include 9. So it will return 0 to 8 values. Okay, so the range is getting printed. So whatever the value is available on 9th position, it will not return. Okay, so this is substring method. Also, you can do that from the long string. Let's see, one string is there that your transaction ID is 12345, and you need only 12345. So you can use substring method in that case, right? Okay, okay. Now another thing is, how will you do a trim? Okay, let's see, I have one string s is equal to some space is there, one space and word, and some space is there. Okay, so there are three types of spaces. This is called before space, this is called between space, and this is called after space. Okay, so we have one method system.out.println s.trim. Simple trim. Trim means it will remove this, okay, this particular space, before space and after space, but it will not remove this particular space, guys. Okay, trim method can be, okay, can trim only before space and after space. Okay, so if you run it, see, before space is gone, and sorry, before space is gone and after space is also gone, but this between space is still there. Okay, so trim method is used only for before space and after space. Okay, it will trim these kind of spaces. Okay, now if you want to remove this particular space, so we have to use replace method. Okay, so simple system.out.println, simple, I'll be using s dot, okay, replace with old character. My old character is this, and let's see, with new character like this. So with old character, I'll give one space over there, and let's see, it is removing this space or not. See, now this space is also gone. Okay, so they will ask you at a time of interview, let's see, I have one string. So first remove the trim. Okay, by using the trim, remove this before space and after space, trim it. But if you want to, okay, do this thing, then remove this particular space, then you have to use replace method. Replace method is very useful, guys. Sometimes if you want to replace anything, let's see, I have one date is equal to some string like this. Let's see, 01 01 2017. This particular date is available, 1st January 2017. What I want the output like this: 01, okay, 01 2017. I want to replace this hyphen to slash, forward slash. So simple, system.out.println date dot replace. Okay, what is my old character? Old character is this, and what is the new character? New character is this. So it will replace. So let's see 0101 2017. So sometimes we need, instead of this particular format, we need this particular format. So you can manipulate it accordingly, and you can pass this particular string to the send keys method in Selenium or something like that. Okay, so this is the replace method. Okay, now after replace we have one more method that is called split. Split is very important, guys. Okay, it can do a lot of amazing things in your framework. Okay, so split is very important for interview point of view also. Let's see, I have one string, a string, let's see, test is equal to, I have one string, let's see, hello underscore world underscore test underscore Selenium. Okay, I have this particular string. What I want to split this particular string on the basis of underscore. I want hello separately, world separately, test separately, and Selenium separately. Okay, so how will I do that? So we have a method that called test dot, on test string I'll use split method. And on what basis you want to split? On the basis of underscore, like this. Okay, so test dot split will will split this particular string on the basis of underscore. So underscore will be removed from this particular string, but this split method, obviously now the four values will be there. It will return one string array. Four values means this underscore will be removed. So hello world test and Selenium, okay, all the underscore will be removed. Four words will be there, four strings will be there, so obviously four values will be there. So how can I store in some string variable? I cannot store like this. Let's see, string uh, test well is equal to this. I cannot store like this. Why? Because test well I can store only one value, but there are four values are there. So obviously I have to store in some array variable. So I'll create one array variable like this. Okay, simple. So now the test well 0 will be hello, test well 1 will be world, test well 2 will be test, and test well 3 will be Selenium. So now we got this particular array. Now if you want to print all the values of this particular array, simple, use the for loop. Print I is equal to 0. Okay, I less than test well dot length and I plus plus, and system dot out dot println. Simple, we will print test, okay, well of I. Okay, so test well of I I'll print. So first time I equal to 0. 0 is pointing to hello. Okay, so test well hello will be printed, and then test well 1 will be printed, then test will be printed, and Selenium will be printed. So let's run it. See, all the values are getting printed: hello world, test, and Selenium. So you have splitted the value on the basis of underscore, and you are printing on the console. Okay, so split method, always remember guys, will return one string array. So don't store in some normal string variable like this. It will give you error. You have to store like this, because the return type of split is also a string array. You can see that the string and this array sign. Okay, so this is called split is there. So these are the different string manipulation functions are available guys in a string class. Okay, string dot reverse is not available. Remember that I already covered how will you reverse a string. You have to convert that string into string buffer, and then only you can do that, because strings are immutable object, so you cannot do that. Okay, so these are the different methods are available, although there are so many methods are available in the string class. Okay, most of the things we have covered. Okay, and compare to also you can check, it will compare both the strings, okay, on the basis of ignore case and all those things. So if you see, if you read that compare two strings, okay, the comparison between on the unicode value, whatever the unicode value is available, okay, in the memory, on the basis of we do that. Concatenate, if you want to do that concatenate also you can do that. Let's see, chars dot concatenate s. The simple s will be concatenated with like this. So concatenate also, it's very not that important. So let's see, I have one string, uh, okay, string s2 is equal to, let's see, care. Okay, cares. Okay, and simple, I'll do system.out.println s2 dot concatenate with one string is there s. Okay, so s2 dot concatenate s, so it will concatenate with like this. So so this particular s will be added, okay, at the, okay, at last, okay, at the last index, like this. So concatenate also you can use this. Okay, and one more interview question, let's see guys, very very important, that although so many already I have covered earlier, that I have one string, string s3 is equal to, okay guys, or let's say string x is equal to, this is very important interview question guys, definitely they will ask you hello, okay, and then string y is equal to world, okay, and I have two integer variables, let's see int a is equal to 100 and int b is equal to 200, okay, like this I have. So x is equal to hello, y equal to world, so two string variables and two integer variables I have. So now if you run like this, system.out.println, simple, I print concatenation x plus y, I'm adding two in string x plus y, it will return hello. Okay, so it's printing hello world, sorry, not hello, hello world. Okay, hello world. Then if I print like this, system.out.println a plus b, a plus b means 100 plus 200, it will return 300. Okay, it will return 300. Now simple, if I write like this, system.out.println, now see it, x plus y plus a plus b, what should be the output? So the compiler will execute from left to right. So what is x? X is hello plus y. Okay, hello plus y, hello world, and then hello world will be added with 100. So it will be hello world 100, and then hello world 100 will be added with b. So it will be hello world 100 200. Don't say that hello world 300. Okay, so if you run it, see the output is this. Okay, 90% people say that at the time of interview it will be hello world 300. No, it will be hello world 100 200 guys. Very very important interview question. Okay, now if you write like this, system.out.println a plus b plus x plus y, now what should be the output? Now again left to right execution. What is a? A is 100 plus b, 100 plus 200, it will become 300. Now 300 will be added with x, it will become 300 hello, and then 300 hello will be added with y, so it will be 300 hello world. Okay, so now 300 hello world. Okay, so this is the difference between this and this. It will return hello world 100 200, it will return hello world 300. But now if you write like this, system.out.println, if I write like this, x plus y plus, and in the bracket if I write like this, a plus b, so what is x? Again x is hello plus y hello world, plus it will be added with the resultant of a plus b. So a plus b is 300, then because of this bracket it will do that. So hello world will be added with 300, so it will become hello world 300. Okay, so it will be hello world 300. So always remember guys, there is a difference between x plus y plus a plus b and x plus y and in bracket a plus b, like this. But don't say that for this it will return x plus y 300, I mean hello world 300, it's a wrong answer. You have to say hello world 100 200 string concatenation. We are doing concatenate. Concatenate means to merge, to add two things, and this plus sign is called concatenation operator. And strings can be concatenated with any data type. It can be concatenated with integer, doubles, characters, okay, with anyone. Okay, a string can be concatenated with any double value, floating value, integer value also. So you can practice with other double value or something like that, or float values 0.33, 12.33. You can concatenate with hello world. Okay, so please practice. This is very important, I would say, session for interview point of view. Definitely if you are 5 or 6 experienced guy, and freshers also a 1 or 2 years experienced guy, and they are checking your java skills and basics of programming skills, and okay, how exactly you're good in strings and all, they might ask 100%, they will ask, not might, 100% they will ask such kind of questions. Okay, string manipulations, these are called string manipulations. You're manipulating the string, right? So these are the different methods are available. Pre-practice, especially character at length method, index of these three, for example, first occurrence of s, second occurrence of s. Okay, so please practice and let me know if you have any issues. Okay, so cool. I think that's all for in this particular session. And let me know if you have any doubts. Please write the questions and your queries in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, there are a lot of videos are coming in future, so automatically you will be notified, guys. Okay, so feel free to any questions if you have. Okay, thank you so much, and thanks for watching.